Okay, good morning students. Welcome back to our social class. Okay, we already finished our fourth lesson. What is our fourth lesson? Our close, and we finished the new words also. Okay, now in this video we are going to learn the question and answers. We are going to write the question and answers. See on the board I have drawn the lines, and you also write in the double rule notes. Okay children, and try to use the strokes while writing the question and answers. Use the big letters, small letters, up letters, down letters, and the between lines also you write all the letters. Okay, sharp your pencils and get ready with your pencils. Start writing. And what is the lesson name? We already wrote our lesson name. What is the lesson name, Amma? Lesson name is our close. Okay, whenever you are writing the lesson name, you write first letters, capital letters. Our clothes. Okay children, now here second Roman. This is second Roman. We already finished the first Roman, new words, and this is the second Roman. Write the question and answers. And whenever you start the question, you have to write with capital letter. You have to use capital letter. Keep one in the margin, and first letter should be capital letter. First question, first letter capital W, small h, small y down the line, y, finger space, use finger space, compulsory you use finger space. Don't remove your finger from the book. Don't remove your finger from the book. Use finger space. Okay. D-O. Do. Finger space. Join two V's. Make small W. Okay. Small E. We. Again join two V's. Make small W. E-A-R. Where. If you have no place, go to next line. Okay children, if you have no place, go to next line. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? I already told you why do we wear clothes. Why we need clothes. Basic needs lesson. Basic needs చెప్పుకున్నప్పుడు clothes also one of our basic need అని చెప్పాను. ఆ clothes ఎందుకు వేసుకుంటాం? Why do we wear clothes? ఎందుకు వేసుకుంటాం? Because to cover our body. Not only to cover our body, to protect our body from heat, cold, rain, and insect bites also. Okay, let us write the answer. A in the margin. A in the margin, and first letter should be capital letter. Always you start with the capital letter. Capital W. Small e, we, finger space. Small W, small e, small a, small r. All small letters only. Okay children, where? Finger space. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Finger space. T-O-2, finger space. If you have no place, go to the next line. ante akkade raasi irikinchi paad cheyakandi. Okay children, we wear clothes to finger space. C-O-V-E-R, cover, finger space. Small o, small u, small r, our, finger space. B-O-D-Y, body, full stop. Okay children, keep full stop. After finishing the sentence, keep full stop. Whenever you start the answer, first letter should be capital letter, and after finishing the answer you keep the full stop. Okay children. Okay, why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. Not only to cover, to protect also. Okay, continue the sentence, continue the answer. Use finger gap. After full stop, whenever we start again writing the sentence, you have to start with the capital letter. Capital T. Okay. Small h from up, small e, small y, down the line. Y, G, all the letters are down letters. Down letters are there, up letters are there. Okay. Check the lines while you are writing. Line touch అయిందా లేదా చూసుకొని రాయండి. Okay children. First letter, capital letter. Why we are using capital letter here? Here we have finished half of the answer. Second answer finish అయిన తర్వాత full stop use చేసాం. After that we are continuing the answer. When you continue the answer, again you have to start with the capital letter. Why? Because here we got the full stop. Okay children. Okay, they, finger space. P down letter. Okay, Protect. Protect. What it is? Protect. Protect. Finger space. Small u. Small s. Finger space. Small f from up. Small r. Small o. Small m on the line from. Finger space. RAIN, rain, comma, use comma here, comma, HEAT, heat, finger space, comma, COLD, cold, finger space, AND, and, finger space, INSECTS, insect, finger space, BITES, bites. Okay, children. Here, INSECT, insect. BITES, bites. Insect bites. Okay. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. They protect us from rain, heat, cold, and insect bites. Okay, children. Once again, I am reading the question and answer. You listen carefully. Why do we wear clothes? Why? Because we wear clothes to cover our body. Okay. They protect us from rain, heat, cold, and insect bites. Okay, children. This is our first question. Okay. After finishing the question, go to the second question. Whenever you are changing the question, leave one line and go to the next question. Okay. 2 in the margin. First letter, capital W. Always whenever you start writing the question, start with the capital letter itself. Capital W, small h, small a, write small t from up. Okay, what? WHAT, what? Finger space, ARE, R, finger space, THE, the, finger space, DIFFERENT, different. What is the spelling, Amma? DIFFERENT, different. Okay, finger space, MATERIALS, materials. MATERIALS, materials. Finger space. Join two V's. W అవ్వాలంటే ఏం చేయాలమ్మా? Join two V's. WHICH, which. WHICH, which. Finger space. Again join two V's. WE, we. Finger space. USE, use. Finger space. TO, to. Finger space. MAKE, make. Finger space. CLOTHES, clothes. Question mark. Okay, see the question once, Amma. What are the different materials which we use to make clothes? Clothes తయారు చేయడానికి I told you different materials. Silk, cotton, wool. These are natural fibers, and not only this, nylon, rayon, polyester is the artificial fibers, which are man-made fibers. Okay, these fibers we are using to make the cloth. Here in this question I am asking the materials. You have to write these materials. Okay, here I am having no place to write the answer, Amma, so I am coming this side, but you have place in your notebooks. You continue the answer here only, here itself only. Okay, children, write A in the margin. First letter, capital W, we, finger space, USE, use, finger space, DIFFERENT, different, we use, different, finger space, here, MATERIALS, materials, finger space, L-I-K-E, like, finger space, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, comma, use comma, S-I-L-K, silk, finger space, A-N-D, end, finger space, W-O-O-L, wool, finger space, T-O-2, finger space, M-A-K-E, make, finger space, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Okay children, we use different materials like cotton, silk and wool to make clothes. Okay, now what are the different materials which we use to make clothes? We use different materials like cotton, silk and wool to make clothes. Okay children, is it clear? Here, shall I go to the next question? Leave one line. When you go to the new question, you have to leave one line. Okay, leave one line and 3 in the margin. Right, 3 in the margin. First letter, capital letter. Whenever you start the question or answer, the first letter should be capital letter. Okay children, first letter, capital letter, W, capital W. Okay, small n, small e, r, e, where, W-H-E-R-E, where, finger space, use your finger, don't remove your finger, D-O, do, finger space, W-E, we, finger space, write small g down the line, write small g down the line, like G letter is a down letter, G-E-T, get, finger space, S-I-L-K, silk, finger space, F-R-O-M, from. Okay, where do we get silk from? Where do we get silk from? I already told you about the silk fiber. Where we are getting that? Silk manaki ekkadi nunchi vastundamma? We are getting silk from the cocoons of silkworm. Cocoons of silkworm. Cocoons ante it is a web formed around the silkworm's body. Okay. A in the margin. You write A in the margin. First letter, capital letter, capital W. We, W-E, we, finger space, G-E-T, get, finger space, S-I-L-K, silk, finger space, F-R-O-M, from, finger space, T-H-E, the, finger space, C-O-C-O-O-N-S, cocoons, finger space, O-F, off, finger space, S-I-L-K-W-O-R-M, worm, silkworm. Okay, look at the spellings, Soma. Where do we get silk from? We get silk from the cocoons of silkworm. Silkworm, W-O-R-M. You write O. ఏ రాసేస్తారు కొంతమంది చూసుకోండమ్మా. It is worm, పురుగు. Okay, silkworm. Cocoons of silkworm. We get silk from the cocoons of silkworm. Okay, children. Now, after finishing this third question, you are going to write the fourth question. While you are writing the fourth question, again, you leave one line. Leave one line and write. First letter, capital letter, capital N. N-A-M-E, name, finger space, A, finger space, F-A-M-O-U-S, famous, finger space, D-R-E-S-S, dress, finger space, O-F, off, finger space, China. Here, China is the name of a country. China is the name of a country. It is a special name of a country. So you write C capital letter. Okay children, C capital letter. C-H-I-N-A, China. It is the name of a country. Okay, name a famous dress of China. I already told you about the different names of different dresses used all around the world. Here, I am asking you, what is the name of China dress? China dress name antarani cheppanu. Yes, Cheongsam. What it is? Cheongsam. Come on, write the answer. A in the margin. First letter, capital letter. First letter always capital letter. Whenever you start the question or answer, you have to start with the capital letter. After finishing writing the question, you have to keep full stop, and after finishing writing the answer, when you're finishing writing the question you have to keep the question mark, and when you are complete writing the answer, you have to keep full stop. Okay children, capital C, small h from up, write down letters, up letters, down letters, there is a difference amma. CHEONGSOM. Cheongsam. What it is? Pronunciation children amma. Cheongsam. Cheongsam is the dress. It is a famous dress. Okay. Finger space. Small I. Small s is. Finger space. THE. The. Finger space. FAMOUS. Famous. Finger space. DRESS. Dress. Finger space. OF. Off. Finger space. Capital C. You have to write capital C when you write the country name. CHINA. China. Okay children. Cheongsam is the famous dress of China. Name a famous dress of China. Cheongsam is the famous dress of China. Okay children. Here once again I revise the question and answers. Why do we wear clothes? Okay. We wear clothes to cover our body. They protect us from rain, heat, cold and insect bites. Okay. Here WEAR wear, CLOTHES clothes, TO2, COVER cover, OUR our, BODY body. Okay. THEY they, PROTECT protect, USS FROM from, RAIN rain, HEAT heat, COLD cold, AND and INSECT insect, BITES bites. Okay. We wear clothes to cover our body. They protect us from rain, heat, cold and insect bites. Okay. What are the different materials which we use to make clothes? What are the different materials which we use to make clothes? Here we use different materials like cotton, silk and wool to make clothes. Okay children. Here WEUSE DIFFERENT different materials. MATERIALS materials. LIKE like, COTTON cotton, SILK silk, AND and WOOL wool, TO2 MAKE make, CLOTHES clothes. Okay children, you use different materials like cotton, silk and wool to make clothes. This is our second question. Here, where do we get silk from? We get silk from the cocoons of silkworm. Okay, we get silk from the cocoons of silkworm. WEVGET get, SILK silk, FROM from, THE the, COCOONS cocoons, OF of, SILK WORM silkworm. It is one word only amma. Don't divide the word. Silkworm and where raikandi kalpi rayani. It is only one word. SILK WORM silkworm. Okay. Next. Name a famous dress of China. What is the famous dress amma? Cheongsam is the famous dress of China. Cheongsam. CHEONGSOM. Cheongsam. Okay. IS is THE the, FAMOUS famous. FAMOUS famous. DRESS dress. OF off. CHINA China. Which is Cheongsam is the famous dress of China. Okay, we finished 4 questions amma. Still some questions are there. I will give you. Okay children, we already finished 4 questions. Now we are going to 5th question. Okay, write down. Whenever you start the new question, go to new page or go to new line. Okay, leave one line or write. Okay, if you have no place in that page, you go to the next page. First letter, capital letter. Whenever you start writing the question or answer, first letter should be capital letter. Okay, H-O-W, how, finger space, C-A-N, can, finger space, Y-O-U, you, finger space, T-A-K-E, take, finger space, C-A-R-E, care, finger space, O-F, off, finger space, Y-O-U-R, your, finger space, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes, finger space, question mark. Here, how can you take care of your clothes? I already told you that taking care of clothes topic. From that you write only 2 points. Here I am asking you, finger space, capital W, small r, T, small I, write small t, from up E, write W-R-I-T-E, write, finger space, A-N-Y-N-E, finger space, T-W-O, 2, finger space, W-A-Y-S, ways, question mark. How can you take care of your clothes? Write any 2 ways. Okay children, how can you take care of your clothes? Write any 2 ways. Here, I am asking you about the taking care of clothes. మీకు చాలా పాయింట్స్ చెప్పాను కదా నేను, బట్టలు ఎలా పెట్టుకోవాలి, ఎలాగ వాటిని కేర్ తీసుకోవాలి అని. Here I am asking you only 2 points. You have to write those 2 points. While you are writing the points, you use for 1 and 2. You write the number. This is the first point, this is the second point. Okay children, here A in the margin 1. Write number 1 here. First point, you are writing the first point. First letter, capital letter, K-E-E-P, keep, finger space, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes, finger space, I-N, in, finger space, A, finger space, C-L-E-A-N, clean, finger space, P-L-A-C-E, place. Okay children, this is the first point. Keep clothes in a clean place. Keep clothes in a clean place. Okay, after finishing that, leave one line and write 2 in the margin. Okay, line leave chesi line point raseta. Okay, come on. First letter, capital letter, and write the numbers here. Question number answer vesin margin kadamma, inside the margin 1 2. Okay, W-A-S-H, wash, wash, finger space, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes, finger space, R-E-G-U-L-A-R-L-Y, regularly. Okay, regularly, L-A-G-U-L-A-R-L-Y, regularly. Wash clothes regularly. Okay, the first point is keep clothes in a clean place. Second one is wash clothes regularly. Once see the question, Amma. See the question. How can you take care of your clothes? Write any 2 ways. I am asking you 2 ways here. Keep clothes in a clean place and wash clothes regularly. Okay. Here, go to the next question. Again, leave one line and write 6 in the margin. 6 in the margin. First letter, capital letter, capital F. Okay. F-R-O-M, from, finger space, use your finger, join 2 V's, make small W. Okay, W-H-I-C-H, which, finger space, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, finger space, W-E, we, finger space, G-E-T, get, finger space, W-O-L, wool, finger space. Okay, question mark. Okay children, here, from which animals we get wool? From which animals we get వూల్. ఏ యానిమల్స్ నుంచి మనకు వూల్ వస్తుంది? ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను మీకు, లెసన్ చెప్పినప్పుడు ఏ యానిమల్స్ నుంచి వస్తుంది మనకు? ఫ్లీస్ ఆఫ్ షీప్. షీప్ బాడీ మీద ఉండే జూలు, దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? ఫ్లీస్ అంటారు అని చెప్పాను. షీప్, క్యామిల్, ర్యాబిట్, దీస్ ఆర్ ద three animals which I told you, which we are getting wool to make clothes. Okay, these are the animals. Here I am asking you, from which animals we get wool? Here write down. First letter, capital letter S H E E P, sheep. Okay, sheep, comma C A M E L, camel, finger space A N D, and finger space RABBIT, rabbit. Okay children, sheep, camel and rabbit, these are the three animals which we are getting the wool. Okay, here from which animals we get wool? Sheep, camel and rabbit. Here see once again both the questions. How can you take care of your clothes? Write any two ways. Here, keep clothes in a clean place, wash clothes regularly. KEEP, keep. CLOTHES, clothes. IN, in. CLEAN, clean. PLACE, place. After finishing this point, keep full stop. Okay, and wash, WASH, wash. CLOTHES, clothes. REGULARLY, regularly. Again full stop. These are the 2 points in this answer. And from which animals we get wool? Sheep, camel and rabbit. SHEEP, sheep. CAMEL, camel. AND, and RABBIT, rabbit. Okay, in this lesson we have 6 questions, Amma. I have given you the notes. Okay, up to till here we finished our 4 lessons. Okay, you please watch all the videos and learn the lesson properly. Listen to the lesson, try to understand the lesson, listen repeatedly, and try to learn the new words and the question and answers also properly. Okay children, thank you.